Prospective residents are still interested in your community. They want safety, reassurance, and an enriching lifestyle. But it's more difficult than ever to tell your story to those prospects. Community tours are challenging with current restrictions. Traditional in-person events are moving to webinars, and most sales professionals just don't have the tools they need to showcase your community and excite your prospects. Now, more than ever, connections with prospects must be more authentic, yet reflect personalization. Your community's story must resonate, and your sales efforts must be refined to drive occupancy and revenue. Introducing YourTour, a customized virtual tour platform built specifically for senior living sales teams. YourTour personalizes the sales experience, allowing your sales teams to create deeper, more personal relationships with your prospects. With YourTour, sales associates guide the prospect by focusing on specific floor plans that fit their needs and amenities that enable their life enrichment. YourTour drives sales momentum by painting a vivid picture of what life could be like within your community, leading your prospects to a buying decision. YourTour is flexible and portable, allowing your teams to use it anywhere within the Community Sales Center, in-home visits, coffee shop meetings, webinars, or one-on-one online meetings. Designed to shorten the sales process, YourTour will supercharge your sales team by allowing your prospects to make faster decisions along the conversion path from visitor to resident. Designed and developed by The Vector, our team of product and marketing professionals delivers over 30 years of combined experience in senior living. Our continual development process allows frequent new feature releases, while our signature customer success initiatives and in-house technical support power YourTour to help your community succeed. To schedule a demo of YourTour for your community, visit demoyourtour.com.